Hi, thanks for joining me. This book is called The Amazing Life Cycle of Butterflies. In the warmer months of spring and summer, butterflies flutter about. These beautiful insects carry pollen from flower to flower, just like bees. But did you know this is just one stage of a butterfly's incredible life cycle? A butterfly begins its life as a tiny egg. Some eggs are round, some are oval, and some have ridges. The female sticks her eggs onto leaves or stems, very close together. This plant will soon become food. Inside the butterfly eggs, new life is growing. But these creatures are not yet butterflies. After a few days, the eggs hatch and butterfly larvae appear. Butterfly larvae are also known as pupa or caterpillars. At first, they look like small wriggling worms. A caterpillar's job is to eat. Most caterpillars eat plants, but some eat other insects. They eat so much that soon their skin becomes too tight. It splits, and underneath is a new, bigger skin. As the caterpillar grows, this happens again and again. Caterpillars have many enemies. They are gobbled up by birds, wasps, and ladybugs. In some countries, humans eat them too. Caterpillars use bristles, spikes, smells, and poison to frighten away their enemies. Sometimes they disguise themselves with eye spots and patterns. This caterpillar is pretending to be a snake. When the caterpillar has finished growing, it hangs upside down from a leaf or branch. Very slowly, a shell forms around it, called a chrysalis. Like the caterpillar, the chrysalis is patterned. This makes it difficult for enemies to spot. Inside the chrysalis, something amazing happens, something only God could do. The caterpillar dissolves into a soupy mixture. Then, eyes, legs, wings, antennae, and other body parts begin to form. After 1 or 2 weeks, the caterpillar will have changed into a brand new butterfly. At last, the adult butterfly pushes its way out of the chrysalis. This splits open and the butterfly appears. It's a tight fit inside the chrysalis, so the butterfly must first unfold soft wings, which will take a few hours to harden. Then it flies for the very first time. A butterfly has 4 wings. They are covered with millions of tiny colored scales, which create different patterns. Some wing patterns allow butterflies to hide. Others have special markings that look like big eyes to scare away enemies. Bold, bright colors might attract a mate. A butterfly tastes with its feet and smells with its antennae. Its mouth is shaped like a long tube. The butterfly uses this to feed on nectar from flowers. Butterflies can only fly if they are warm. When they are too cold, they bask in the sun until their temperature rises. Some species of butterfly, like the monarch, live for a few months, but most live for just 1 or 2 weeks. During their short lives, butterflies mate. When the female butterfly lays eggs, the life cycle starts all over again. And do you know what that life cycle is called? That change is called metamorphosis. Thank you for joining me, learning all about butterflies. I hope you can see some outside.